The reason I mentioned Taco Bell is because your next story is about Taco Bell's new subscription service. Get the hell out of here. Taco Lovers Pass. Enjoy a taco a day for 30 days. You don't need a taco a day for 30 days, Will, do you?
No, but I would like to.
$10 gets you 30 tacos.
Yeah.
Damn, that's cheap.
And here's a list of tacos here.
Crunchy Taco Supreme, Soft Taco Supreme, Spicy Potato, Soft Taco, never heard of it, Doritos Locos Taco Supreme.
Mm-hmm.
Man, that is cheap. So you get a discount because you're buying in bulk.
Yeah.
Let's see what it says here.
Well, some people say that some tacos cost more than others.
Yeah, for sure.
But I guess it could be forgiven since you're getting like 30 tacos for $10.
Taco Lovers Pass will be available as a one-time purchase, but can be repurchased when the original 30 days is over. It also said that it'll be available for an extended, limited time. Given that you have the ability to re-up, I'd count that as a subscription. Well, it's kind of like a subscription, but it's more buying your next 30 tacos up front.
Yeah.
Kind of. Now, you have 30 days. So I guess they're thinking nobody's going to be crazy enough to come every single day.
Oh, I don't know about that.
But I'm also guessing that if you did it, you'd be there.
It's a pretty cool idea. Just for like 30 days, you can just have a taco.
But maybe they also know you're not going to just get one taco if you go.
Right.
That you would add something. You'd be like,
a drink.
Let me. I
more
need
tacos.
I need something else, and then.
That's a clever idea.
So wait a sec.
And it's only a month.
Wait a sec. What if? So you have 30 days.
Yeah.
You spend $10. You're getting 30 tacos. What if you go there and you need 2 in one go? Could they just subtract the 2 and then you would have one less from your initial 30? No.
It's literally a taco a day.
It's just one per day.
Yeah.
All right. Which one are you going to get out of those options?
I want the crunchy taco.
Just
or the crunchy taco supreme. Or I want to up it.
easy with the salivating over there. Thinking more about this, I'll take the crunchy taco supreme and it's a registered trademark once they put the supreme on it.
Yes.
Look at that. So I'm sure that's what you're in it for.
What about you?
Well, I've never tried a spicy potato taco in my life. So I might give it a go just because I've never.
Vegetarian.
That's a new product, right?
Yeah. They said it's the cheapest one. It's like $1.
In reality, I would pick that just because I've never tried it before. But normally I would pick the same one as you.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Cool.